This is a genetic diagram to see how polydactyly is distributed. Let's say we are mating a heterozygote father with a homozygote unaffected mother. So the father's genes are capital P, lowercase p, capital P being the allele for polydactyly since it is dominant, and lowercase p being the allele for non-affected individuals since it is recessive. So the homozygote mother that is unaffected by polydactyly has two lowercase p alleles. So if gamete A of the mother mixes with gamete A of the father, we will have a heterozygote. If gamete A of the mother mixes with gamete B of the father, we will have a homozygote recessive. If gamete B of the mother mixes with gamete A of the father, we will have a heterozygote again. And if gamete B of the mother mixes with gamete B of the father, we will have a homozygote recessive again. So we see that we have two options, either heterozygote or homozygote recessive. The heterozygote offspring have the phenotype of being affected by polydactyly, and the homozygote recessive offspring are unaffected by polydactyly. So mating a heterozygote parent with a homozygote recessive gives us a 50% chance of having the dominant phenotype and a 50% chance of having the recessive phenotype. This is in the case where the allele in question is dominant. So this shows us that there is a 50% chance or a 1 in 2 chance of inheriting polydactyly.